Ciao world! So I have this MacBook Pro mid-2011. It's old, but to me is enough to work for the things I have to do on Mac. And it's connected now to an external monitor because I have repaired this PC. I'll show you a video right now about what the problem was. The problem was that the monitor of the display of this PC comes and goes, and it goes like noise then, but this seems not related to when I move this with this, or when I touch it. I try to bend just a little, move, push, change the RAM position. That is one thing I've heard about this kind of model, but it doesn't solve. Then I try connecting the external monitor, and the external monitor also works without problems. So it came into my mind that it was something related to the connector or the cable of this, and I have opened it and I see a little bit of crust on a EC next to the connector of the monitor. It is strange because I've used this PC last year or a couple of years that I don't use this PC, but it is my house, no water, no leakage, so I don't know how that crust came in. By the way, I have this PC is not mine. I'm a second user of this PC, so maybe the previous user, I don't know, but it never has problem. Anyway, last week I have powered it up, and the monitor doesn't work. Well, it works and doesn't work. So today I decide to open this, and now it's done. I'll put a few videos later of how this defect looks like and how I have repaired this. So this is the laptop opened, and I have disconnected the display, and I have noticed this crusty here that it may or may not be. So because the board is pretty clean. This laptop is mine since a few years, and it never has problem. It is old, but it's never had problems. So let's see if it's that crusty there. I don't know how that crusty get there, cause I don't use this laptop since a couple of years. I haven't used it since a couple of years. Now it has that problem. But it is in my house, no water, no leak. Anyway, let's see. So, moment of truth. Let's see. Well, I think it works, because before it comes and go after a while. Well, let's see if I plug the external monitor, what happens. Let's plug this and that, well, that one, and what is the password of this thing? Let's see if I remember. Well, correct password. Let's see if the external monitor works too. I think it works. Yes, you can see at the top and it works immediately after the startup, with and without the external monitor. And I can touch this, move this, but without problem. But even before I can touch and move this without problem, this issue just came and go. I think that is due to the crusty that is inside, but it's solved now. Well, I can work with this PC.